It is time. Hey guys, it's Darcy, back at it again with another video. So I was just minding my own business, right? But then suddenly, I felt a disturbance in the force. So I went on YouTube and I realized Vogue did another video with Kylie Jenner. So I dragged myself out of bed and pulled out my wig. It is time. That's right. Today, I'm gonna be turning myself into Kylie Jenner. Now, it's been a long time since I've done this. 3 years, in fact. 3 long years, guys. So I may be a little rusty, but I think I still have the spirit of Kylie within me. Good thing I have this tutorial to follow along with. Now, as you can tell, I don't look anything like Kylie Jenner, okay? So I'm not making any promises at the end of this that I will look like her, but I will try my best. I put on a black shirt like she has in the video. Mine's a V-neck though, because when my neckline's up here, it kind of makes me look like a bobblehead. I kind of look like a bobblehead anyway. From what I can tell in the last 3 years, Kylie has really changed her makeup routine. So I feel like it's gonna be completely different than last time. So that's why I went shopping on KylieCosmetics.com. Yes, I bought all of this with my own money. That's why it came with the stickers. We don't need that though. I bought palettes, I bought skincare, I bought everything that she used in this video. So we're gonna see if this stuff actually works. What works on Kylie may not work on me for, I think, obvious reasons. And I gotta be honest, guys, I've been pretty disappointed with some of Kylie Cosmetics stuff, pretty disappointed. So we'll see if it's any good. All right, now let's see if I can transform myself into Kylie Jenner. I love these Vogue videos. They're my favorite. One day I should be in a Vogue video. Vogue, please contact me. Okay, take it away, Kylie.
Hi guys, it's Kylie, and I'm back. I missed you, Vogue. I just wanted to come update you on my new routine and also share all my secrets with you.
Step 1, the wig. I call this my Kylie Jenner wig.
I'm gonna start with my lip scrub, of course.
This is the Kylie Cosmetic Lip Scrub. Oh my god, oh, it smells really good, guys. My lips do need a good scrubbing, they really do, they're kind of dry. All right, my lips are feeling real smooth, guys. Ooh, nice.
I've changed my look a lot. I think that I'm into the more natural skin. I wear a lot less, but I've accomplished the same snatched look.
Okay, so basically she's saying that she's still the same old Kylie, but just a little bit less makeup. She's more into the clean girl look versus the glam that she used to be, which is really interesting because that means that for once, Kylie's not setting the trends. She's actually following them. The disturbance in the force.
Me and you, we're gonna clip my hair up.
We, you and me, and Kylie, we are gonna clip up my hair.
I'm gonna do like 2 pumps of my moisturizer.
We're gonna take 2 pumps of the Kylie Cosmetics moisturizer.
And then this is one of my foundation samples, my first secret of this whole video. Don't tell anyone.
Oh my god. A Kylie Cosmetics foundation sample? Don't tell anybody, guys. It's a secret.
This is my go-to. So I'm gonna do a little squeeze of that, mix it up.
Okay, so she's mixing her moisturizer with a mystery foundation that obviously I don't have, so I'm just gonna use my normal foundation, which is this one from NARS. Oh my god. Girl, why you look like that? She's a little messy. Don't mind her. Now I'm supposed to mix this together and we're applying the foundation with our hands.
I do feel like now that I'm using my hands more, I don't know, it's like an intimate experience. My foundation just looks different. I feel way more natural. I like how it blends into my skin a lot better.
I actually hate applying foundation with my fingers. I think it's so messy. Ooh, it's looking kind of good though. I'm not gonna lie. This is kind of an intimate experience. Guys, I'm so touch starved. I'm feeling lonely. Next up is concealer. And she blends that out with her fingers too. I am not used to all this finger action. She's putting a little bit on this corner here and then kind of flicking it out a little bit over here. Down the nose. And then a little bit on the lip, on the chin, and on the forehead. And then like a little bit right there. And then we're gonna blend it out with her fingers. Very disturbing.
Nude Sticks bronzer. I think it's a foundation, but it's very thin. I like to take it on the brush.
Next, we're gonna do bronzer, and she's using nude sticks. And she's actually not putting on too much, but we're just gonna put this on in like the normal contour bronzing areas. Very natural today, all right? And we're not trying to look crazy. Gotta get that jawline.
I feel like the way that I contour now is definitely less harsh. Like this is probably all the bronzer that I'll use.
Then I'm gonna take a smaller brush and use that for my nose. And I'm not really trying to make my nose smaller because my nose is already perfect. But we're just defining, you know? This looks really good, guys. Whoa. Okay. But now we're getting into dangerous territory.
These are my glow bombs. These are actually, I got a new one because mine look a little crazy because I use them every day. This one's like peachy. This one is very like a really pretty neutral blush. I like to mix them. Just looks so pretty.
I've done a review on these glow bombs on YouTube Shorts, and it was not good. So she's mixing two blushes, and I think it's these two. It's really hard to tell on camera. Blush is also my favorite step, Kylie. We do have that in common. However, I don't know if this blush is gonna work on me. Ooh. It's fine, just keep going. Okay, when I just do this one, it's not bad, but this one, I don't know about that color. Let's just apply this one. This is the color Doing the Most.
You can also put it on your lips too. I'm actually gonna do that now.
And she said you can also put it on your lips. So we're gonna do that now. Wow. Kylie, why are you doing this to me? I was right to be frightened.
I love this Givenchy powder. I remember actually watching my last Vogue video. The amount of powder that I used is just unreal. So I'm gonna do a little bit of powder on here.
Not too much, not too much. Just a little.
Another secret, I have these amazing, I'm obsessed with these cream shadows. A little goes a long way and they don't dry too fast. So I like that you can play with them for a little.
Kylie recently came out with these liquid eyeshadows, so I bought them, never tried them before, and I'm completely terrified. I think I'm gonna try one of the darker ones because I feel like the light ones are gonna look really bad. We have these two. This one is called On to the Next, and this one is called 2 Steps Ahead. I'm gonna try On to the Next. Okay, that's kind of cute. Okay, I like this color. I have super dark eyelids, and this is definitely working. And it's coming off kind of like this pinky brown color. Oh, I love it. Oh my God. I love this. Oh, and it goes on so smooth. This is so nice. It blends really easily. Oh my God, Kylie, you're a genius. Oh.
This is just a really pretty neutral matte palette for everyday. Maybe even a little here.
Okay, so I bought the palette that she's using. It's the bronze palette, so it's like very neutral, natural colors. I'm gonna use Mocha Latte, maybe a little bit of brunette. Use that to define my eyes a little bit more.
When I have products that I really believe in, I want everyone's opinion. I love doing my own makeup because it's just very therapeutic for me. I love to zone out. Next up is liner. I'm really loving a tiny baby wing just to bring out my eye. I have round eyes, so I like to give them more of an almond shape.
Next up is eyeliner. We're just doing a little baby wing. I also have very round eyes like Kylie, so I use liner to elongate them.
I'm gonna put my lip on. This is another sample of something really crazy.
Okay, next she's putting on a secret lip liner, which I obviously do not have. So I'm just gonna use my normal brown lip liner. And I'm gonna take this Kylie lip. This is the shade Can't Talk Right Now.
So we're gonna go brows. I'm using this Anastasia pencil. It has this cute new gold packaging. I like natural bushy brows. I don't really fill them in as much.
Luckily, I just got my brows done. You see me guys in. Hey. How you doing? Little brow. You're my little eyebrow. Little brow. Wee eyebrow. My little brow.
I just had to do this campaign shoot and they wanted bleached brows, so L'Oreal I think just left the bleach on for too long and my eyebrows fell off, so now I'm just trying to get them back, but it's okay because thin brows are in. We're gonna do, I just got this Kosas brow gel. Can you do a good brow gel? I just like when it like lasts really long, it's not too flaky.
Then we're gonna use this brow gel from Kosas.
I found this in my drawer. I am obsessed. It is an all over face highlighter.
Okay, now I'm gonna apply this highlighter from Nude Sticks. She's putting it on her finger, I think. And then just patting that in. Putting on our makeup with our fingers a lot today.
The finale. This is my Kylie Volume Mascara. I'm very excited to finally share this with you guys.
The mascara everyone's been talking about, Kylie. Yes, I bought it. And it was also sent to me in PR, but I had already bought it. It was too late. Oh yeah, it doesn't look like she curled her lashes, so I'm just going straight in. We're going in raw. All right, this mascara is pretty good. I like it.
Add a little bit more of this peachy shade.
She's adding more blush. Listen, it's not that bad. It's not that bad.
This is the full updated Kylie look. I'm sure I'll see you guys again in a few years when my look changes again. I'll see you guys soon.
Release the hair. This hair, it's a little messy, you know? We've got like these effortless beachy waves going on, but Kylie's a little bit more polished. So I got my handy dandy straightener. She's ready. I just want to look a little bit more polished, a little bit more classy. Okay, look at that. That makes a really big difference. I wish my real hair was this easy to straighten. It smells like burnt hair in here. Rise and shine. Rise and shine. You know what, guys? It's not too bad. It's not bad. I kind of like it. The lips are looking a little crusty, but that's okay. And the blush is kind of growing on me. But you know, my favorite part is the eyes. I don't know what crack is in this, but I'm addicted. This is the best invention I've ever seen. Give Kylie Jenner the Nobel Peace Prize. Seriously, I will never stop raving about these. So good. Blendable, they're creamy, they're beautiful, they're delicious. I want to eat it. I really love the way that Kylie does her eyes. She really knows how to play up her own eye shape. And we actually have similar eye shapes. My eyes are also pretty round and I like to elongate them. And this is giving me a really pretty eye shape. And while we're here, while my face is in this position, this highlighter is beautiful. This is in the color Bubble Baby. Bubble Baby. Bubble Baby. Kylie has really scaled down her look from previous years where she used to wear really heavy makeup, and there's nothing wrong with heavy makeup. I love wearing heavy makeup too, but I feel like this more natural look is in right now, and it's really interesting to see trends change because I've been wearing makeup since like 2016 when everyone had those big blocky eyebrows and we were all wearing really matte lipstick that burned your lips when you put it on, like the Kylie lipsticks. Yeah, she was there. Okay, be honest, guys. Do I look like Kylie Jenner right now? I certainly feel like Kylie Jenner right now. Alleged billionaire, mother of two, dating Timothy Chalamet, living the dream. Seriously though, I love this kind of look because it looks good on everybody. It's just playing up your natural features. And even though some of the colors didn't really match me in my opinion, I still look really good. To be fair, we did have a perfect canvas to start off with because I already look like a supermodel. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below if you would try Kylie's everyday makeup routine, because I'm definitely taking some tips off of this, especially this eyeshadow. I'm obsessed. And I will see you guys in the next video, which is just gonna be 2 seconds, because you're just gonna click one of these. Hello. I have a giant catalog of videos that I know that you are currently binge watching. Don't lie. You're not doing your homework. Don't lie. Don't lie to me. I know what you're doing. I know what you're doing. You have a problem, an addiction, and I'm fueling it. And don't forget that I love you so much. Rise and shine.